Happy Friday, my friends! Today I'm happy to show you my new free laser design. It's a surf laser design, great for decoration. As always, you can buy more designs from this bundle on Etsy with 75% promo code YouTube Sales 75. The promotion will last for a month. Let's start creating this free laser design. To assemble this design, I need wood glue, acrylic markers, nail file, and sandpaper. First, I need to prepare each layer of this design. To do this, I take sandpaper and a nail file. First, I carefully polish the surface in order for the markers to draw better and convey color. If I can't remove the excess with sandpaper, I use a nail file. These steps must be repeated with all parts of the design. Be careful when using sandpaper and nail files. Do not press hard on the wood, because it may break. Also use a protective mask so that dust does not get into your face. After I have finished preparing the design parts for painting, I take acrylic markers, choose which color I will paint my parts, and start. If your markers are not pigmented enough, you can always make 2 or 3 more coats of paint.
To find a paradise, we can't roll the dice when oceans part us twice. Fiery heart, cool my rain, pain we can't contain. You're burning me too close, too close. Triple waves on the flames, love's a melting game. In this torrid zone we're lost. Volcano and ice. Hard to find a paradise.
Now I'm going through the design parts with markers once again to paint over the small parts that I didn't notice at first.
When oceans part us twice.
Next step, I need to glue all parts of the design together. For this step, you need glue and your hands. You can always use some brush, but I still don't have it, so I'm using my hands instead. If you have added more glue than necessary somewhere, remove it after gluing the part to the base. Almost done. Adding the finished touches to this surf. At the end, I decided to add some color to the back of the design. I choose black color. Now enjoy the final result. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. You can download more surf laser designs on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube Sales 75. The promotion will last for a month. Please comment under this video so that you would like to see next Friday as a free design. Subscribe to my social networks and participate in the poll.
We're lost, volcano and ice.